Not a bad start at all to 2020, especially today. So mild out there.
No, it's been, I don't know what happened. Mother Nature, I don't think generally reads a calendar. But George out on the weather deck, she certainly saw December 31st to January 1st and made a change out there.
They said, new year, new weather pattern.
Right?
Perfect.
Get rid of those clouds. Get rid of all that snow. Yeah, it snowed, I think, once in the last 10 days, right before New Year's Eve when everybody wanted to travel. But at least a lot of that snow melted again today as we got back into the 40s. Just a couple of snow piles out here on the weather deck. Any snow in the future? We'll take a look at that coming up. But some cooler weather is in view. That's why the 13 weather ball is view. And this view brought to you by the great folks at Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Traveling this evening, mostly cloudy skies. We'll drop from the 40s down into the low and mid 30s. Down around I-94 South. Might be just enough moisture. There could be some fog in the air. You can see those visibilities dropping a little bit here in Grand Rapids. Just a little bit of haze, maybe some mist, but nothing more than that. Mostly cloudy skies here tomorrow. As you can see, temperatures are not going to be as warm as they've been the last couple of days. We'll only be in the mid and upper 30s. Lots of cloud cover around next several days. Nice start to the day. Second day of 2020. A little gusty wind though, and that's what drove those waves to be very high over the last 24 hours, at least out on Lake Michigan. But some mid and high clouds have come in this evening and will be mostly cloudy here tonight. Look at that temperature right now at 45 degrees. A little sunshine today, a lot of sunshine yesterday. We've had a very cloudy year here in West Michigan, one of the top 10 cloudiest years on record. And we're going to be back to that kind of weather pattern. Where are high clouds coming from? It's this system that's moving into the east part of the United States. We're not going to see anything from that other than some clouds. That storm system is going to combine and slowly work its way through the Tennessee Valley and then finally off the East Coast early part of the weekend. What that will effectively do is drag a cold front through tomorrow. That's why temperatures are not going to be as warm tomorrow. And then after that one moves through, another cold front will go through. That may bring a little bit of low or no impact snow Saturday night and on a Sunday, just a trend toward a cooler weather pattern, more seasonable. Let's take a look at the next 10 days. Here's that system going by to our south and east here tonight, heading away from us tomorrow. This little system right in through here, going to be diving to our south. This is what will give us a chance of a little light snow Saturday night and during the day on Sunday. That will be more later in the day on Sunday. And then a quiet weather pattern shaping up for Monday. The winds are going to be mainly from the west over the next several days, so not a lot of Gulf moisture until very, very late next week. Another little system passing by to our south on Tuesday, but Tuesday night is when we see our next chance of snow. Maybe Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. That quickly exits the area on Wednesday. Then we'll watch another system come out of the southwest. That will bring most likely rain and then some snow. It'll be next Thursday night and on Friday. And then the weekend is shaping up to be pretty nice, although we're going to have to watch for a system passing just to our south and east the following Saturday, not this Saturday, and then that will clear out on Sunday. So there you go. There's the next 10 days worth. Long range outlook. This is the 6 to 10 day period, which starts on January 8th through the 12th. Warmer than average temperatures. Our average high right now is around 31. That's about as cold as it ever gets here. So even if we're in the 30s, it'll be warmer than our average in terms of precipitation. You saw that storm track going right up and through here. We have a little higher chance that we'll see a little bit more precipitation during that 5-day period. We usually get about 3.5 inches worth of snow. Tonight though, mainly cloudy. 32, the cool spot up north where you'll see, I think, a little bit fewer clouds than we will down south. With those clouds blanketing us just a little bit, we'll be in the mid 30s here from Grand Haven and Holland and South Haven South. Up north, mostly cloudy skies, maybe leaning toward partly cloudy. These will be the colder temperatures, all below freezing. So watch out for areas that have melted some of the snow into water on those parking lots and sidewalks. A little bit of black ice could be forming here. Grand Rapids southward will be down around 34 or so. And there are a number of river flood warnings. That's the blue polygons here. That's because the river levels are so high. They've impacted some of the area roads, as we've talked about. So just be very careful if you're driving in those areas. 13 on your side forecast. Average high is 31, as we mentioned. I think we're going to stay pretty close to that or above for the next 10 days. The only cold days will be next Wednesday and the following Saturday. But again, low or no impact light snow Saturday night and Sunday as it gets a little bit breezy, if not windy. Next Tuesday night and Wednesday, as we showed you, and again Thursday night and Friday are the two impact systems during the week next week. Other than that, well, we've enjoyed the sunshine so far.
Slow and steady there, George.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.